ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ha ka nyotri gubernur Nailor Arajar Arpway Menteri Ketenaga Kampoing jong Sorkar Jilla uba lakmen rumbui ulo ong baka Sorkar kala shimkhia bha halor ka jingsha siat yap jong General Secretary Barim ka HNLC uba Cherry Starfield thank you but day ne kani ka daw batang hadin arsngi bala jia ka te ka jingjia bala thong ye ka kinhon to ket laitloi ne ka judicial inquiry yang mentau ulo ong ba umpat kwa ban kentho AA tad hadu banda ka kinhon to ket kan penmi ye ka kaipot henry ulo ong pat ba ka kinhon to ket kan lap yano ki bayat palat ye ka an ka Sorkar kanam map satya yaki
layak liep ban lishti ta halar kita ta kalam ngadawa jindan kam je usimet nga ta ya katangan parlakan ong ai ta henry na sapit dala pa fa pandala pa fa na sapit daro ke ginuting hanta ngan yakan na menta ka judicial inquiry ngamde competent authority ban kren halar kata namar ba kadek independent judicial inquiry tek e ka ba kadai ban le e ki ba kadai ban le ya kata ngan batay ya kata dengan ong ai yamta. Now the situation at hand is that the government has instituted judicial inquiry to look into the circumstances which led to incident of the morning of 13th of August. So it depends upon the committee, a judicial commission, to look into and how what is need to be done. It is too premature for me to say anything right now. It is independent body. They will look into all aspects. Regarding the letter, I cannot reply on that. Let's see. See, the government is is going to come clear on the issue. That's why within 2 days, the government has instituted the judicial inquiry. So the process is on, and it is we have to wait for the outcome, and the government will not spare anybody if they go beyond the law. So as of now, I cannot reply more than that because as you know, judicial inquiry has been still, so that matter ends there. That the judicial inquiry committee, that they will look into it as and when they have start the process. As of now, since the matter is with the Honorable retired Chief Justice, so they will start the process as and when. I don't know what is the formality they will do. So they will do in a very short time. See, it is the duty of the government to maintain security for the people of the state. So they will do what it is necessary to be done. Reply on the security issue because it is the duty of the government to do so. That nitty-gritty is not for me to reply.